These airline content ideas are ready for takeoff. Let's land some winning airline social posts. We'll also dive into our AI tools to help you write more effective social media captions faster than ever before. Let's start. Offer travel tips and advice for your followers. Share photos and stories from your airline's history. Promote your loyalty program and the benefits of joining. Post videos or photos of your airline's in-flight amenities, such as meals or entertainment options. Share stories of your airline's community involvement or charitable giving. Feature interviews with passengers about their travel experiences. Post about special events or festivals happening in the destinations you fly to. Share photos of your airline's planes and their unique features. Promote travel packages or vacation deals. Share photos or videos of your airline's flight crews in action. Post trivia questions related to travel or aviation. Share photos or stories of your airline's partnerships with other businesses or organizations. Post inspirational quotes or messages related to travel or adventure. Share photos of the unique landscapes or landmarks of the destinations you fly to. Offer travel hacks or tips for saving money on flights. Share photos or videos of your airline's first class or business class amenities. Promote travel insurance or other travel-related services. Share stories of passengers who have overcome travel obstacles or challenges. Offer destination-specific recommendations for things to do or see. Share photos or stories of your airline's environmental sustainability efforts. Highlight your airline's awards or recognitions. Post travel-related memes or jokes. Share photos or videos of your airline's cabin crew training or preparation. Offer travel inspiration or bucket list destinations to your followers. Share photos or stories of your airline's involvement in sports or cultural events. Post about new routes or destinations your airline is adding. Share photos or videos of your airline's maintenance and repair processes. Offer tips or advice for traveling with children or pets. Share stories of passengers who have had memorable or unique travel experiences. Post about upcoming festivals or events in the destinations you fly to. Share photos or videos of your airline's flight simulators or training programs. Offer tips or advice for packing for a trip. Share photos or stories of your airline's support for the arts or culture. Promote travel-related books or movies. Share photos or videos of your airline's airport lounges or other amenities. Offer travel-related quizzes or trivia games. Share stories of passengers who have had life-changing travel experiences. Post about unique or off-the-beaten-path destinations you fly to. Share photos or videos of your airline's flight attendants in action. Check out the airline social media ideas in the video description. Let's now have a look at how you can use our AI social media tools to really create awesome campaigns better and faster than ever before. Sign up for free and give it a go.
Let us see how AI can help you create effective social media posts. Spark creativity with the various social media post generators. We are going to look at social media captions, images, video scripts, repurposing, and blog to social generator. Let's start with the social media caption generator. Head over to Storylab AI and select a social caption generator. Select a social platform, describe your post, and choose a style. Not bad, right? AI can spark creativity within seconds. Run the AI tool a couple of times and create a list of potential social media posts. Now let's create some cool images for the social media posts. Describe what the image should look like. Select a style and let AI work its magic. You can leave the style empty and add your unique style in the image prompt. If you want to engage your audience with a video post, use the social media video script generator. Enter a couple of details about the video and let AI come up with an engaging video script, perfect for a video post. All you have to do is record the video and post it with the caption you created earlier. Now let's see how the social media repurposing generator works. Simply copy, paste the copy of an existing social media post. Describe how you want to spice up your post and get 3 new variations within seconds. Now, let's see how you can create up to 25 social media captions based on an existing blog post. Copy and paste the text from your blog post. Select a social media channel and writing style. The blog to social generator will come up with 25 social media captions based on 5 topics. Pretty cool, right? Set up your Storylab AI account and get started with the social media post generators. Don't simply copy/paste ideas and press the publish button. Use AI to spark creativity, but always add your unique style and engage your audience. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content creation tips.